Hi Lana, welcome once again to Lana's Coach. So we want to take a look at some of the best accredited private nursing schools here in Kenya. So if you're planning to join one of the private nursing schools, then this particular video is for you. As you can see, I've opened one of the websites for one of these particular private schools. But before that, I'll share this particular link or this particular article. You can see from our website. I've really done a comprehensive information about this particular accredited private nursing schools here in Kenya. So if you want to read more, I'll share the link, right, so that you go through them one by one. And even I've captured the fee and the courses, location where they are found, and so on. So I'll just use the list to maybe run through these particular hospitals and see what these particular private nursing schools. What you need to know is that these particular nursing schools need to be accredited, right? They need to be recognized and approved so that you can be able to join them. And that's why we have narrowed down to these 15. Actually, there are 15 accredited best private nursing schools here in Kenya. So you can see the first one is Nairobi West Hospital College of Health Sciences, right? So this, as you can see, is found within Nairobi West, right? You can check the programs that they provide. You just click on the programs, right? So they have short courses, higher diploma. So they have critical care nursing for those who want to do care nursing, and of course they have health care assistants. So it's a hospital college that is actually growing, so we expect more courses. They also have of course higher diploma, which is critical care nursing. Let's look at the other one. Outspan Medical College. This is another private nursing school that I'll always recommend, right? So this one is found in Mount Kenya region, right? You can see. So the academic programs that it offers, as you can see, is nursing, pharmacy, psychology. They have also perioperative theater technology, health records and information technology. They also provide critical care nursing, and of course they have nursing, right? Because we're looking at these nursing schools, so you can see. So we can also join them. They also provide nutrition and dietetics, right? So that is Outspan, a very good school. Then we also have Thika School of Medical and Health Sciences, very famous. So you can see they have over 20,000 professionals who have been trained. So maybe let's look at the courses that they offer, because that is the most important thing. So they offer diploma in nursing, you can see. They also offer diploma in public health, a diploma in radiography, certificate in science laboratory, right? So you can check with their diploma in nursing if you want to enroll for this particular course, and also the public health, right? The other school that I saw fit to bring on board is Johan School of Nursing. As you can see, it is accredited. It's accredited by the Nursing Council of Kenya and the TVET, right? So this is one of the recognized schools, right? So you can check with their programs, right, and learn more about which programs they provide. Maybe you can check on the academics. And in academics, they have diploma programs, right? So currently offers diploma program in general nursing, right? So this is what they're offering, general nursing. So if you want to do general nursing, you can visit Johan School of Nursing, right? Moving to the North Coast, right? We have another good private school there, a private nursing school known as North Coast Medical Training College, right? So you can check with the various courses. Maybe let's see the courses that North Coast provides. So they offer, of course, they offer higher diploma courses, Kenya registered nephrology nursing, higher diploma in clinical medicine, right? So if you go to Kilifi, or if you're around Kilifi, this could be the best school for you to join, or in the coast region. You can see also the additional courses, basic diploma courses that they offer, right? Biomedical engineering, nutrition, Kenya registered community health nursing. Apart from diploma, they also offer certificate courses, as you can see, and of course they offer also TVET CDAC level 4 courses, right? Community health assistant and so on. Moving forward, we also have the Karen Hospital Medical Training College. So this is also one of the best nursing private nursing colleges, right? So they offer, you can see, they offer a variety of programs such as Kenya Registered Nursing, which takes 3 years, diploma in perioperative theatre technology, higher diploma in cardiology, right? So we can check with Karen Hospital Medical Training College, right? This is found in Langata. We can check with them. Then we have Nuru Medical Training College, also is one of the best private nursing schools that you have, right? So you can see the academic programs are listed here. They provide Kenya registered community health nursing, clinical medicine and surgery, I name them, healthcare assistance, nutrition, and dietetics, and so on. So that is Nuru Medical Training College. Then we have the common one, I think I've mentioned it over time, Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences, right? So this is one of the accredited colleges offering nursing courses, right? So you can see it has different categories of courses. So if you go to Department of Nursing, you can see diploma in nursing, right? Artisan in health support. So it's a very big, it started way back, yeah? So it's one of the accredited institutions, Imperial College. So you can see even the other courses that it's offering. Then we have Goshen College. Goshen College is also one of them known. Goshen Medical and Technical College, right? If we check on their courses, they offer a variety of courses, right? And it's also accredited. So when you check on their courses, let's just look at the courses they provide. They do teach Kenya Registered Community Health Nurse and IT, certificate in operating theatre technology. Okay, you can see them. And I think the added advantage that they all have with IT, the IT component here is a factor to put into consideration, right? So check with Goshen Medical. Maybe we can very first look at where it is situated. Okay, you can give the you can click on their contacts, right? And they're also given you the requirements for all these particular courses. We also have Mata Kenya. Mata Kenya is a nursing school known as Catherine Nursing School. I don't know if this is Makalu or Makeli, I believe, right? Nursing school. So Mata. So ideally, most of these hospitals nowadays, they have their nursing school, which is encouraging, you can see, right? So these are the courses that they offer. They offer diploma in Kenya Registered Nursing, which takes 3 years. They also offer a higher diploma in perioperative nursing. They also offer a higher diploma in critical care nursing. So I think here they have majored in nursing courses, as I can see, right, which is good. Higher diploma in critical care nursing, right? They have also given you the eligibility criteria. So check with Mata, that is Catherine Nursing School. Amref is the other one, Amref International, right? It has been in operation for a while. Amref International University, it offers a lot of accredited courses. So this is also found along Langata Road, I believe opposite the Wilson Airport, around that area, right? So they have courses in different categories: certificate, postgraduate, undergraduate, diploma, TVET programs. So these are very fully fledged institution that offers medical related courses, nursing included. So you can see the kind of courses they offer. That is diploma level, right? So you can see palliative care nursing, that's a diploma. You can see, I'm just scrolling so that you can have a look at higher diploma in critical care nursing, community health care nursing, community health, right? We have diploma in nursing, upgraded option, right? Also pre-service. So check with Amref International University. Then we have Nairobi Hospital. Nairobi Hospital also has its own nursing school known as Cecily McDonnell College of Health Sciences, right? So you can also check with them. County's information about the courses they offer, right? But you can see the most important thing is that the college is accredited by the what? By the Nursing Council of Kenya and the TVET. So you can always be rest assured that you are going to have your certificate recognized. We also have Gertrude's Institute of Child Health and Research, right? Gertrude's is one of the best hospital known for child care. So they also have their own school, right, that trains in pediatric advanced life support. So this is around Thika, yeah. That is their headquarter actually, though it has different branches across the country. So you can see they were accredited by the Nursing Council of Kenya to train diploma in Kenya registered community health nursing program, right? So that is a key area, right? So that is Gertrude's. Now lastly, I tried to reach the website but it was having issues. That is the Nairobi Women Hospital. So I captured it within our article here, Nairobi Women's Hospital College. So their website has issues, so I couldn't display it there, but kindly note that they also are part of the very best private nursing schools that we have. As you can see, they offer different courses. They offer courses in community health nurse, critical care nursing, perioperative, counseling psychology, and so on and so forth. So ladies and gentlemen, if you find this information useful, always like the video and of course be part of this particular community by subscribing to our channel. All right, see you next.